reload what? A switch, right? When you have a switch, you must know in which mode you are, right? So we are here, right? Which mode is this one?
User mode.
Thank you. This is the user mode. User mode. So we have now to move from user mode to privilege by using which command?
Enable.
You type. So you're gonna move to the privilege mode. Thank you. We are here now, right? So for you to initialize your switch, you have first to understand some of the configurations that are already there. As I said, when you purchase like a new phone, you must be sure. Maybe somebody put it something like an application that will inspire you. You have to reset your phone. The same as your switch. You have to make sure that there is no previous configurations, right? First, you must check what are the configurations that are already there. What is the command for checking?
Show flash.
So you're gonna type, thank you my friend, show flash, right? Why flash? This flash is like the memory. So you are telling the switch to show you the configurations that are already there, like on the memory, right?
Yeah.
But you must check for one of the folder, right? So you're gonna see one of the folder, it says vlan.dat. But if you cannot see this one, you have to use another command. But if you see this folder, you have to type now delete vlan.dat. But if there is no this vlan.dat, you must use another command for you now to do what? To delete, right? So you're gonna move. Which command for erasing? You have to erase.
Erase that out.
Thank you. Erase. Startup. Config. Right? So this command will do what? Will delete all previous configurations, right? So this startup config, what does it mean? It's like when you purchase your phone will come with some of the configurations. Those configurations, those default configurations, we can call them startup config. The same as your switch will have some of the configurations by default. And those configurations will be saved on one of the memory that we call startup config, right? So startup config, those are the configurations that will come by default with your switch. This one, right? Now you have to erase them. So this is your command, erase startup config. Now when you delete, right, you erase them, you have now to do what? You have to reload now. You type the command, reload. Right? So this is how you can initialize and reload your switch. You start from the user mode, you type your command, enable. It's gonna move you to the privilege mode. From the privilege mode, you have first to understand, you have to see what are the configurations that are already there, like on your switch, by typing show flash. Flash, it's like a memory where those configurations are. So you're gonna see some of the configurations here. But you have to look at this folder, vlan.dat. If you cannot see this one, but if it's there, you have to carry on by typing the command delete vlan.dat. But if it's not there, you just move down and you type erase startup config. Startup config means that the configurations that are already there, like on your switch, right? So we call them startup config. By typing this erase, so it means you are deleting the default configurations. Now you have to reload again your switch. And when you reload, there will be a message that they will ask you maybe to say yes or no. Yes or no. You must say what? You have to say no. You're gonna type no, and you are done. Your switch now is fresh.
When you tap reload, on my side it didn't get a yes or no.
Yeah, it took us back to user mode.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
So even if it don't ask you like yes or no, it's fine.
If it says incomplete command,
Means
after
that
typing no,
you must check what you did on your side.
something went wrong.
Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. So later on we're gonna move to how to initialize and reload a router.